Good morning, all the students. My name is Surbhi Avasti. I'm assistant professor in SIRTE Bhopal. Today, we are going to discuss the topic ecosystem, which is really easy and it's really important to understand the definition of ecosystem and types of ecosystem. So, today in this lecture, we are going to understand the basics of ecosystem and various classification of ecosystem. Okay, and in this lecture we will also complete the biosphere and we will see how the energy flows. So we are going to discuss only basics of this. So let's start the chapter. So the topic is ecosystem. Let's start. What is ecosystem? Basically, the ecosystem is a structural and functional unit of ecology, where the living organisms interact with each other and the surrounding environment. That means ecosystem is a kind of system where biotic components interact with abiotic components. Now the question arises, what is biotic component? Biotic component comes into the category of living organisms, such as we, animals, all the living organisms like plants. And what are the abiotic components like water, sun rays, air, soil? These all are the non-living organisms. As examples, forest, lakes, and deserts. Now, the biosphere is a narrow sphere over the Earth's surface. It has the following features. Like, what is biosphere? Where the life exists is the biosphere, the iosphere where the life exists. It is less than 20-kilometer thick and extending 8 kilometer above the sea level and 10 kilometer below the sea level. It is where land, water, soil interact with each other and the life occurs. As I have told you earlier, the iosphere where the life occurs. Features of ecosystem. What are the features of ecosystem? As earlier I have told you what exactly happens in the ecosystem. Energy flows between the matter. That matters can be like if it is a characterized by energy and matter flowing between the different element that composes of it. As you all know that you were like in second or eighth class, then you used to study the food chain. लाइक वन लाइक जैसे कि हम पढ़ते हैं कि जैसे बिल्ली ने चूहे को खाया और बिल्ली को कोई और जानवर खा गया या फिर उसको कोई और खा गया, तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ फ्लो मेंटेन्स, इसी में एनर्जी फ्लो इज गोइंग टू मेंटेन. सो दिस इज द फीचर ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. Then the ecosystems are spreaded by the geographical barriers. Most ecosystems tend to blend into each other. So we can call our earth is as a whole as an ecosystem. As there are so many types of ecosystem on the earth, so earth forms a kind of ecosystem. Now, as earlier I have told you, ecosystem consists of two components mainly. First one is biotic components. Biotic components refer to all the life in the ecosystem. As earlier I have told, in the category of biotic components, only living organism comes. Here, they can be divided into further categories like producers includes all the autotrophs. What are the autotrophs? Which make their food by their own. That means plants, as we know, the plants make their food or prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Then the next one is consumer, all the heterotrophs, That means as the human being depend on the food depends on the food, and we get the food from the plants. That means we cannot prepare our food by own. Then the decomposers. What exactly are the decomposers? As fungi and bacteria. That means they decompose the things and then they grew up. Abiotic component. All the living organisms that comes into the category of abiotic components. These are the non-living things. These can be divided into three categories for the study. First one is organic substance such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids. Inorganic substance, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water. Climatic factors like altitude, turbidity, etc. Components of ecosystem. As earlier we have discussed, there are two types of components, and then they can be further divided into three categories. First one is biotic component, and biotic comes under the biotic components, producers, composers, and decomposers consist. And under the abiotic components, organic, inorganic, and climatic factors come. Types of ecosystem, that can be artificial ecosystem and natural ecosystem. For example, you can see the pictures. You can see the picture. The first picture is natural, as it's a kind of forest. Then it's come to the category of, then it will come into category of natural ecosystem. But if you see the another picture, that is man-made, that is artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem. Then natural ecosystem is subdivided into further categories. First one is terrestrial ecosystem. That means land-based ecosystem. All the ecosystem which occurs on the land only. Like example, forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, and desert ecosystem. The aquatic ecosystem, that means ecosystem present only in the body of water. That means there will be only water, like freshwater ecosystem, like lake, ponds, river, and marine ecosystem like sea and ocean. These are the pictures. You can understand the forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, the desert ecosystem, marine ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, artificial ecosystem. Artificially means something that is man-made, or we can say that's not natural, like croplands, aquarium. As a fish, as we just make a kind of aquarium and we put a fish into that particular aquarium at our home. That means we have built up something, a house for the fish, but the natural houses like pond, lake, sea. And then the artificial ecosystem, parks, kitchen garden, zoo. These are the ecosystem as we have earlier. It's a kind of flow chart. Thank you. So here the topic ends up with all the classification and all the varieties of ecosystem.